Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is an overcast day here, Tuesday, June the 12th. I've had this truck of mine apart here now for 2 or 3 days now, but it's just been really struggling trying to get it done here because it's just been, for the last several months, it's been just a struggle to get through every day. Never mind a problem like this. And I just redid all the brakes on this truck a year and a half ago. I did all new rotors, all new brake pads, all new calipers, all new flex hoses in the front, all new brake shoes and brake drums in the back. And I guess a mistake I made, I went with the cheaper ABS pads with this here. And I do a lot of heavy towing with big bales of hay, machinery and stuff like that. And you know, that's the inside pad. It's like it's almost like the glue let go and spit the pad out. This is the outer pad. Look at how much is on there yet. You know, because I didn't even get a warning from this warning clip that rubs when it gets down low. Like you can see, there's a long ways to go there yet. I didn't get no warning or nothing. All I got was I stepped on the brakes one day and she just started to friggin' grind. This is the inner pad, or the outer pad. And there's the inner pad, what's left of it. And this is the rotor. You know, it's okay on this side. You can see it's rusty because it's been sitting off the truck here for the last 3 days. And look at the inside, it's just gouged all to hell. You know, just mutilated. You know, that's $69 for that rotor. So I complained to Napa about it, and they said, well, you do a lot of heavy towing, you know, you should use ceramic brake pads. And I said, well, ceramic okay, but I don't want full metallic pads, because the last time I bought full metallic pads, the pads never wore down, but it ate my rotors right off. So he said go to these ceramic pads. He said they do better for braking under heavy load conditions. You see they're tapered off more at the ends and stuff too, so they participate the heat more. So we're going to give these a try and hope the heck it doesn't happen again in a year and a half. Because, you know, I put a lot of money into this truck a year and a half ago on brakes. Like I said, I did everything. The calipers, new calipers, everything. Brake lines, the whole 9 yards. It comes with this new seal kit and stuff, but I'm not going to bother changing those because the seals are fine in the caliper there, because they've only been in there for a year and a half. Like normally a set of brakes lasts me freaking 5 or 6 years. And I've had this happen once before on my old Ford truck. I did the same thing. The front brakes spit the shoe right off the steel housing, and took out the brand new rotor that I'd put on not very long before. And so we got a nice new rotor here. $64 or $69, I think it was. Yeah. And the shoes, the pads were $44, I think, for them ceramic. So I don't know. A little hard to do with one hand. No, I've been trying to get this done for the last 3 or 4 days, but the just haven't been feeling good. It's just like I got no energy, no ambition. It's been a struggle just to get through everyday life and do stuff. And it's like I go and do something for 10 minutes, and it's like I got to go sit down before I feel like I'm going to pass out. And I don't know, it's just from the exhaustion, from the pain I've been in, or what it is, but it's sure not been good. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you this, and it's depressing because it's money I didn't have. But being the doctor had me do his boat there and stuff and everything, I was able to get the parts for this. Because it's been like this now for a couple of months. And I knew that it was going to need a new rotor and brake pads. I'm going to do the other side too, change the pads. They look like they're like brand new yet, but I'm going to change them to these ceramics so that they're the same style of brake pad on both sides. But anyway, just a short video on this, not very long. I don't like doing short videos, but you know, hey, figured I'd just show you this one here, and short and sweet and to the point, and gonna put it back together and hope for the best. Okay guys, later. Well folks, looks like I finished just in time. It's raining now. I got it all back together. I wire brushed the slides here and put never sees on them there, and the slides down there. And I put never sees on the two bolts that go in here, one here and one here that holds the caliper on. And we're just going to put a little bit of never sees on the wheel studs. You know, the last thing we want is rusty old studs the next time we out in the bush and have to take a tire off or some dumb thing, you know. I always use never sees on everything. You know, no matter what you do, put never sees on it. And I sprayed some penetrating oil on the bleeder screw there so that it never seizes up. And we'll put a little bit of never sees on this axle nut here, just to keep water from going in there and rusting that up more in case we ever have to change a CV joint on this four-wheel drive. Don't need to put much, just enough there to put a little bit of a coating on it. Good enough. Okay folks, I'm gonna cut you loose. Thanks for joining me again here today. I'm gonna slam this tire on and get inside out of the rain here. Take care and have a good evening.